Hello students, today we are going to start Standard 7th Subject Maths, Chapter number 8, Algebraic Expression and Operations on them. Practice set 32. Classify the following algebraic expression as monomial, binomial, trinomials or polynomials. So before shifting to this practice set, let me teach you what is monomial. Students, monomial means an algebraic expression containing only one term is called monomial. That means only one term should be there. This will be called the monomial. As you can see here, this is the one term, the 7x. Only one term is there. Though here the coefficient and variable is there, but then also we call this is the monomial. Okay, when the minus, plus, multiply, division, this sign is come in between the two numbers and coefficient, then we call this as the binomial. Binomial means what? An algebraic expression containing the two terms. It's called binomials expressions. As you can see here, this is the binomial. Same way, trinomial means an algebraic expression containing the three terms is called trinomial. Okay, so here the three term this one, this is the one term, two term and three term. So this is of trinomial. Same, polynomial means more than three terms will be there is called polynomial. As you can see here, the more than three is there, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is polynomial. So let's start this practice set 32. Here question is here I have already written the 8th question. Now you have to decide which one is monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. So here I have written the 4th. So let's see. So this is monomial. As you can see, we have already take out from the question like 7x and the 6th one a. Only a is there, so this is also monomial. And in 7th you can see only 4 is there, as you can see here, a and 4. Same way, binomial. Second, we have taken 5y minus 7z because the two term is there. In 5th one, 5m and minus 3, the two term is there. Trinomial, 3 term is there, as you can see here. And in polynomial, containing more than 3 term, it is called as polynomials, like 1 minus 8a minus 7a square minus 7a cube. So here 4 term, 1, 2, 3 and 4, or you can say more than 4 also polynomial will called. So here we complete this practice set 32. In the next video I will show you practice set 33. Thank you students.